Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Attic. I wanted to share with you the subfloor that I just put in and how I did it. Everybody does their subfloor differently. I just want to share another perspective on how I did it easily, not kind of easily, and if I could do it, anybody could do it. And so I'm using Havelock Wool for my insulation. I have talked to people who have had the wool for 6-7 years in their vans that had to pull the floor up for repair, and found out that the wool had not molded, mildewed, nothing. So that was good to hear. Enjoy the video, and I hope you get something out of the video when you're ready to do your subfloor. My floor is going to be 3/4 inch thick. Man, it's heavy, but it's probably the heaviest thing in the van. But I want the floor to be sturdy and not give. But I can cut 2 feet off of each one and finish up the van with this. So I'm using 2x2s to glue down on the bottom of the floor. That will be my base. So I've put down the 2x2s. I put them up on the high ripples, so that airflow can come through there from the back or the front. I put glue on all of the boards, toe-nailed them in, and they're dry. They are hard. They are really hard. So that's good. This is not just your regular bats. This is wool. I got this wool from Havelock, and it says do not use a vapor barrier. So I'm doing it the way Havelock said, because this is their wool and they know what it can do. And when I put down the plywood, I did mark everywhere that there's a beam, so I will know where the beams are. And I actually marked them going this way as well. And then I'm just going to take a picture looking down, and I can count the ribs over to know where they are when I get ready to hammer down the plywood. Alright, I'm painting my subfloor with just mismatched paint that I had left over. Letting that dry. Right, so here's my template. The template that I did of the outline of the van. I'm doing the plywood 4 feet wide, because my van is more than 6.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. It took me only 2 times to get that one exactly right. So the template worked pretty good. I just had to trim up a few little spots. And I trimmed up that corner over there, which really I could have done a little bit less than that, but it's alright. The hardwood floors are going on top of this. So, and I painted the bottom of it. I'll paint the top of it when I get it in. I'm going camping tomorrow, so I want to get it in anyway for now. It's finished. We got the subfloor in. Boy, was that a job.